Hello, if you are wondering if you can use Apple Pencil from the first generation on iPad mini 7th generation from 2024, or also known as A17 Pro, then the answer is unfortunately no. Over here I have the list of all compatible, not really compatible, but the list of all Apple Pencils that have been created so far. And on this list we can find Apple Pencil the first generation, which of course looks like this. And in this case, we can read that for iPad mini, this Apple Pencil works only for the fifth generation. So if you still have first generation, then unfortunately you have to upgrade, you have to purchase a new Apple Pencil. And if you want to make sure that the new Apple Pencil is compatible with your iPad mini from 2024, then in that case you should purchase either USB-C, which is compatible with iPad mini A17 Pro, which is the 7th generation, or you have to get the Apple Pencil Pro, which is also compatible. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!